The spiritual design process was really nice to see. They were really looking forward to student input and what students want to see on the spiritual theme. They went as far as to like, what colors do you want the fingertips to be? And what color do you want the heart to be? And I know a lot of students also got the opportunity to work with the graphic designer, which was really cool. So they gave them a little bit of insight as to how the board does things behind the scenes.
One of the reasons why I wanted to join the spiritual design theme process was because I wanted to find a way to inspire inclusivity with using my own art skills.
I feel my favorite thing about the design day was probably like I got to meet so many people who like were really passionate about wanting to work on the theme for this year and like wanted to be there too. So we all like really connected like that, and we all like connected by showing each other like what we were gonna draw, and it was just a really fun experience.
My favorite part of the poster would be its simplicity. It's really, really nice to look at. And something that I really took away was all the little details that they put in the background. So it has a lot of icons that I believe some of them were designed by the students on the day of. So that's really nice to see in there.
I think they put the microphone, so I'd like to show you like that everybody like has a voice and that they can speak with their heart. And then the words over here, like encouragement, acceptance, and stuff like that is there to like show us that we can talk with our hearts and connect to God, so we can connect with other people.
One of the things that I do notice is that they added the sign language into love, and I feel like that was really important to include because, you know, it shows that no matter who you are, you're allowed to be included and loved.
Speaking with the heart means to me that like you're connecting with the community and you're truthful and honest with other people. So you like don't lie to others and like to like your parents or your teachers, and you're making sure that everything that comes out of your mouth is like all love and no like harm.
Speaking with the heart means to me like speaking with like kindness from your heart, like saying kind things to each other and like helping each other out. That's what speaking with the heart means to me.
So speaking with the heart means to me that making sure that all of our actions are genuine and that everything we do is kind of an embodiment of our values as people, and all of our actions demonstrate how we see the world and how we see other people.
Well, the way this could inspire inclusive is one with the symbols and the way how it's lifting everyone's, you know, it's lifting the heart up and showing, you know, we lift each other up no matter who we could be or who we are as a person.